Getting your first period and how to prepare.
Getting your first period might make you feel a little nervous, and that's okay. It's normal to feel this way. I sure did. But it can also be exciting, as it's an important moment on your journey to becoming an adult.
Usually, most girls will start their periods between the ages of 11 and 14. Some girls may start earlier, others only when they're 16. Everyone is different, and each girl will get her period when her body is ready. If you're worried, speak to an adult you trust. One great way girls can feel ready for their period is by making a period pack. A period pack is a small zip-up bag with everything a girl needs when she's on her period. She can take it with her wherever she goes so that she's always ready. Inside it, girls can keep some period products like pads or tampons. These are used to catch the blood when a girl's on her period. Having some tissues in the pack is a great idea too, and can help to wrap up a used pad or a tampon before putting it in the bin. A clean pair of underwear is really handy to have in there too, just in case. Some girls may get pain when they're on their period, so keeping some pain medication like Panadol in the pack can be a good idea. Taking pain medication for period is very safe. Just be sure to follow the instructions on the medication box.
I always keep my period pack in my bag. It helps me to feel confident and ready for whenever my period comes.
Learning about periods and what to expect when your period starts can also help you feel more ready for when it does. For more information on body changes in periods, visit the Know Your Health website at fpnsw.org.au/know-your-health and click on the Periods tab, or call the Family Planning New South Wales talk line on 1300 658 886 for free and confidential advice. If you want to speak to someone in your language, call the Translating and Interpreting Service on 131450 and ask to be connected to Family Planning New South Wales talk line.